in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to overlook the importance of healthy hygiene practices. However, these practices are essential for preventing the spread of illness and promoting overall well-being. They encompass a wide range of behaviors, from personal hygiene practices like hand washing and toothbrushing to broader practices like cleaning and disinfecting surfaces. In this video, we will explore the significance of healthy hygiene practices, delve into the key areas of personal hygiene, and provide practical tips for incorporating these practices into your daily routine. Healthy hygiene practices are not just about keeping ourselves clean. They are about safeguarding our health and the health of those around us. These practices act as a barrier against the spread of germs, viruses, and bacteria, preventing infectious diseases from taking hold in several ways. Preventing the spread of infectious diseases. Proper hand washing, covering coughs and sneezes, and avoiding close contact with sick individuals are essential for preventing the spread of germs and viruses. Promoting overall well-being. Regular bathing, brushing teeth, and maintaining clean clothing and surroundings contribute to a healthier lifestyle, reducing the risk of skin infections, respiratory problems, and other health issues, enhancing self-confidence. Practicing good hygiene can boost self-esteem and make us feel more comfortable in social situations. Incorporating healthy hygiene practices into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some essential practices to follow. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol when soap and water are not available. Wash your hands after using the bathroom, before eating, after blowing your nose, and after touching animals or garbage. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when coughing or sneezing. Dispose of used tissues properly and wash your hands afterward. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Shower or bathe regularly to remove dirt, sweat, and bacteria from your skin. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Floss daily to remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth. Trim your nails regularly to prevent the accumulation of dirt and bacteria. Regularly cleaning and disinfecting high-touch surfaces in your home is essential for preventing the spread of germs. Germs can survive on surfaces for hours or even days, so it's important to clean and disinfect them regularly. Washing your clothes regularly helps to remove dirt, sweat, and germs. Hot water is the most effective way to kill germs, so be sure to use hot water when washing your clothes. Keeping your surroundings clean and clutter-free helps to prevent the spread of pests and allergens. Pests, such as cockroaches and mice, can spread diseases and contaminate food. Allergens, such as dust mites and pet dander, can trigger allergies and asthma attacks. Fruits and vegetables can harbor harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites that can cause foodborne illnesses. Washing fruits and vegetables thoroughly under running water, even if you plan to peel them, helps remove these contaminants and reduce the risk of getting sick. Cooking food to the proper internal temperature is crucial to kill harmful bacteria that can cause foodborne illnesses. Use a food thermometer to check the internal temperature of cooked meats, poultry, and seafood. Ensure that the internal temperature reaches the recommended safe temperature for the specific type of food. Proper food storage helps prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and keeps food fresh. Store cooked food in airtight containers in the refrigerator within 2 hours of cooking. Keep raw meat, poultry, and seafood separate from other foods to prevent cross-contamination. Discard food that has been stored in the refrigerator for more than 3 or 4 days. Water is essential for human health and plays a vital role in various bodily functions. It helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, remove waste products, and maintain joint lubrication. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall well-being and can boost energy levels, improve cognitive function, and enhance physical performance. Consuming water from untested sources can pose health risks, as it may contain harmful bacteria, parasites, or chemicals. These contaminants can cause various illnesses, including diarrhea, dysentery, and hepatitis. To ensure the safety of drinking water, it is essential to consume water from reliable sources, such as treated tap water or bottled water from reputable brands. If you have concerns about the quality of your tap water, consider using a water filter. Water filters can effectively remove impurities, such as chlorine, lead, and other contaminants, making tap water safer to drink. Various types of water filters are available, including pitcher filters, countertop filters, and faucet-mounted filters. Choose a filter that suits your needs and preferences and regularly replace the filter cartridges to maintain its effectiveness. Apart from the essential practices mentioned above, here are some additional tips for maintaining good hygiene. Regular checkups with your doctor and dentist are important for maintaining good health and preventing potential health problems. Your doctor can check for signs of illness, provide necessary vaccinations, and offer advice on healthy lifestyle choices. Your dentist can clean your teeth, check for cavities and gum disease, and provide guidance on proper oral hygiene. Sharing personal items like towels, razors, or toothbrushes can easily spread germs and illnesses. These items can harbor bacteria and viruses that can be transferred to others when shared. Using your own personal items is a simple way to prevent the spread of germs. Open wounds are susceptible to infection by germs and bacteria. Covering open wounds with bandages helps protect them from dirt, debris, and germs, reducing the risk of infection. Keep bandages clean and dry to promote healing. If you notice any signs of infection such as redness, swelling, or pus, consult a doctor promptly. Our hands are constantly exposed to germs and bacteria, and touching our faces, especially the eyes, nose, and mouth, can easily transfer these germs to our bodies. Germs can enter our bodies through these openings, leading to infections. By avoiding touching our faces, we can significantly reduce the risk of getting sick. Pets can carry germs and bacteria that can make us sick. Washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water after handling pets, especially before eating or touching your face, can help prevent the spread of germs. Gym equipment is often used by many people, making it a potential breeding ground for germs and bacteria. Cleaning gym equipment after use, especially shared equipment like weights, machines, and benches, can help prevent the spread of germs. Use disinfectant wipes or spray to clean the equipment thoroughly. Public restrooms can be a source of germs and bacteria, especially if they are not properly maintained. Before using a public restroom, check for soap and toilet paper, and if they are not available, use a hand sanitizer and avoid touching surfaces as much as possible. If you must touch surfaces, wash your hands thoroughly afterward. Food service workers have a responsibility to keep customers safe from foodborne illness. Washing hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before and after handling food helps remove germs and prevent them from contaminating food. Raw meat, poultry, and seafood can contain harmful bacteria that can cause food poisoning. Wearing gloves when handling these foods helps to prevent cross-contamination, which is when germs are transferred from one food to another. Healthcare workers are at increased risk of exposure to germs and bacteria because of the nature of their work. Washing hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before and after seeing each patient helps to remove germs and prevent them from spreading to other patients or healthcare workers. PPE helps to protect healthcare workers from exposure to germs and bacteria from patients. Gloves protect the hands from contact with blood and other bodily fluids. Masks help to protect the respiratory system from airborne germs. Gowns help to protect the skin and clothing from contamination. Hazardous materials can pose a serious risk to workers' health and safety. Manufacturing workers who handle hazardous materials must wear appropriate protective clothing to protect themselves from exposure. This may include gloves, goggles, respirators, and other specialized gear. Protective clothing helps to prevent hazardous materials from coming into contact with workers' skin, eyes, and lungs. This is important because even brief exposure to hazardous materials can cause serious health problems, such as burns, poisoning, and cancer. Eating at your desk can create a breeding ground for germs and bacteria. Food crumbs and spills can attract pests, and germs can easily spread from your hands to your keyboard, mouse, and other surfaces. If you must eat at your desk, be sure to clean up any spills immediately. Spills can create a slipping hazard and attract pests. They can also harbor germs and bacteria that can make you sick. Clean up any spills immediately to prevent these problems. By incorporating healthy hygiene practices into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of illness, promote overall well-being, and enhance your self-confidence. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health and the health of those around you. Thanks for watching.